Welcome to 3712 Prince William Drive in the coveted neighborhood of Mantua in Fairfax, Virginia.
Join us on this tour as we show you over 4,200 square feet and how this home with a 3-level addition has been fully remodeled. This home has been magnificently remodeled since its original construction. We're standing here in the living room. As you can see, the wood burning fireplace has been converted to a gas fireplace. And this room has it all. You can divide it up, you can use it as one expansive area for entertaining guests. And most importantly, it opens you up to the rest of the home. Homes built in the 60s and 70s a lot of times can feel sectioned off or closed in. Not so with this home. You'll see as they open it up to the kitchen, more importantly, this size of this dining room, where you can easily sit 8, 10, or even 12 for that next holiday event. Through the custom design of the picture frame, you enter what is called the heart of the home, the kitchen. You'll notice all of the upgrades. Over $360,000 has been put into the home. Dual sink, silestone, craft-made cabinetry, truly custom to the design of the home. You're gonna fall in love with this, especially if you're a gourmet chef. As you enter the kitchen, you'll notice the luxury vinyl plank and the cabinetry we already spoke about, which has secret hideaways for your coffee maker, bread, and even designed custom for where your microwave will sit. I personally love having the wine refrigerator right here underneath that countertop. And then you have the perfect pantry, which is built in and customized even with pull-out drawers. This home has a custom 3-level addition, and I want to give you an idea about space. The typical home ended here, where my hands are. I'm going to walk you back into the main level part of the addition, which just shows everything. This is that perfect morning room for where you can have breakfast, meals, and even coffee as you look out over your private oasis. One of the challenges is when you're on the go, what kind of space is there? They've customized this unique space to have the breakfast bar here for quick meals, as well as this great opportunity when you come in from the garage. Where do you put your things? What does that look like? And during COVID, what everyone needs is extra office space. Take a look at this built-in cabinetry so that you can work from home.
Welcome to your primary suite. The owners have expanded from the original construction. This was your primary suite. Now it is your sitting room. You have this additional room, which is now your bedroom, where you'll find the vaulted ceilings, the 2 beautiful sunburst windows, and you'll see the natural light that streams through your 2 windows. The new owners will love this ensuite bath right off of your sitting room. The first thing you'll notice is the warm, heated floors. Here's one thing that you'll love, these cabinets, and they pull out for all of your essentials. The owners spared no expense in having the shower tiled from floor to ceiling. The new owner will love the walk-in closet with the built-in shelving. The upper level of this home includes 3 generous-sized bedrooms. In each bedroom, you will find custom shelving built in the closets. There is an additional updated hall bath with a jacuzzi tub.
With this luxury home, you get not only 1, you get 2 fireplaces with the wood stove insert, this custom cabinetry, and even space for an additional office area. With the 3-level addition, you walk into natural light with a walkout level going into a perfect grade, as we'll show you soon. We are now in the perfect in-law or au pair suite with a walk-in closet, space for a bedroom, and a true living area. And if you don't need use for that, this is the perfect exercise room with its own walkout to the rear yard. As you walk down from the lower level, you'll see this luxury spa that does convey with the home, as well as the natural light that comes through with 2 walkouts from the lower level. And you'll see the full-size windows that you get, as well as get a chance to peek at the 3-level addition that was customized for this home. The backyard is a golfer's dream, where you have 2 expertly placed chipping areas that will go right to the putting green, which is a 30 by 32. From the 2 chipping greens, you'll see you have continued space to still make it on the green and great opportunities to get it in the hole. Beyond the chipping and the putting green, you also have the opportunity to break out all your different sticks and swing away.
Thank you for joining us on this tour today. For more information about our listing or the beautiful neighborhood of Mantua, reach out to the Nellis Group.